everybody! Today we are going to make a carrot cake. Now let's see what ingredients we need to make a delicious and soft carrot cake. We need 375 grams of carrots, 195 grams of flour, 195 grams of sugar, 45 grams of potato starch, 120 grams of olive oil, a pinch of salt, some powdered sugar, a bag of baking powder. And what else do we need? We need a mixer, we need a bowl, we need a spoon, a knife, a sieve, a peeler, a baking pan and some baking paper. Now let's start our recipe, and the first thing we need to do is to peel the carrots. So let's start by peeling them. So after we have peeled all the carrots, what we need to do is to cut them in small pieces. After we have cut all the carrots, we will put them in a mixer together with 120 grams of olive oil and 3 eggs. And we have to mix them for about 5 minutes. So we have now a very nice and soft carrot cream. Now I had already sifted the flour and the potato starch. So now I will put everything together. Flour, potato starch and sugar, the baking powder and a pinch of salt. I will mix all the ingredients together and I will add the carrot cream. And I will mix gently. When the mixture is ready, so it has to be quite soft and creamy, we put the mixture into the baking pan. So our cake is ready to go into the oven. We have to bake it for approximately 35-40 minutes at 175 degrees. So see you later! And after 40 minutes, here is our carrot cake. Now let it cool for a while and then put some powdered sugar on top. And here we are, our carrot cake for you to enjoy. Bye!